How to change miles to kilometers on Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Google Maps. Once you open Google Maps, you'll find multiple options on your screen, but you have to click on the profile icon on the top right. Once you click the profile icon on the top right, you have to scroll down and click on settings. Once you open settings, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to choose the navigation setting option. Once you click on navigation, then you have to scroll down, and here you'll find below map display and distance units. These two options you have to choose on kilometers. Mine is set to automatic, but you can choose to kilometers and miles. So this is how you can change miles to kilometers on your phone. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.